Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you very much, my friend, watching my videos and subscribe, comments, like, share. Your valuable comments, your knowledge sharing, my videos comments, and your guidelines comments. I'm the next year excellent videos presentation my channel. Friends, today's my important the part and touches videos very important points presentation the digital marketing and social media. Very important part of digital marketing and social media. I can present my class, my lecture, my tutorial, my motivational speech, my videos 1 to 10 minutes plus. Friends, present my videos the important and touch important points and presentation my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like comment share and thanks of best of luck this watching my videos. What is the digital marketing and social media? The social media's essential word of the month marketing creating people to contain with you online in the social around help speak that word what you come and that to products and service. The search engine optimization and social media. Many times there are different set of people and work on search engine optimization and social media expression. How this saying and creating retail. The too many state officially bold and speak them, but the social media market will need and the more information that in search engine strategy guide on the search engine strategy can grow hands and your content promotion. The SEO strategy, search engine optimization strategy, you need to know what is the social media marketing and social media market order to relevance and the social single need to make and the complaints and highs. Start social media, how to fund of social media business, are you practical, the conversion and sharing, are you learn and moving this board above. Start social media marketing if you starting for search with the social media strategy, hard way to base step to create any strategy. Step, choose your social network. Number one, choose your social network. Number two, file your profile. Complete, remember to land in your keywords. Number three, find your voice and tone. Number four, pick your posting strategy, how to obtain when and what type of content. Number five, analyze and trace. Analyze and test. Number six, automatic and engage. All those will be great in the specific inlet half of tutorial. Here are a few things to consider if you generate social media strategy. The Facebook top the social media strategy. How many social media strategy with Facebook? Just having a page, however, don't not suffer shopping, content marketing is now the way to force engagement on Facebook. If your business don't however content marketing strategy or blogs but want to maintain the strong Facebook presence, it may be time to create a content marketing strategy for Facebook. Well, get to know more on this a substitute graph. Optimize for mobile. All social media effort need to be optimized for mobile. When probably hard by everyone needed to make sure that websites are optimized for mobile and social media managed need to be aware of these engage and front my promotion they are official and that include their companies web are optimized for mobile. Any image used to social all over views on mobile optimized users. Improve and hang experience. Many digital but you need to hang and experience Google, Facebook have made change the more way. The digital marketing in the promote the product brand in the online marketing, internet marketing, web marketing and social media marketing. Digital marketing notes the digital marketing was have been around quick the days. Create different digital marketing some on in digital marketing analytic engage label companies tiers. Digital marketing, social media marketing and digital marketing. Digital marketing to social media. The very important points digital market and social media. The social media is a powerful of digital marketing the parts. As like social network, lot of search Google search bar the social media. A lot of social media provide and Google, but number one, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, YouTube, and Pinterest, LinkedIn, etc. etc. You can search Google search bar the how to social media network and social media platform. Google provide lot of social media platform. You can present time that billion user the social media platform. Number one Facebook, number two Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, Reddit, etc. etc. The social media. There are different type of people who are the on social media strategy. Number your business, small business, large business, medium business, highly targeted customer, the local marketing, nearby customer, the Google, My Business apply and social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blog, LinkedIn, etc. etc. The start social media marketing you guidelines and you know that your knowledge. If you starting with social media strategy, however business setup and grade your standard that you follow them these 6 step and your social media marketing. Number one, choose your social network. Number two, fully your profile composition, remembering load in the your knowledge. Number three, find your voice and tone. Number 4, pick your posting strategy, how often, when the, when type of content. Number 5, analyze and test. Number 6, automatic and engagement. We'll get into the specific lot and the social media strategy. The social media strategy, then social media strategy with Facebook, just having page and however engage and forecast. Thank you, best of luck.